Hello everybody and welcome back to Hillside Forge. So on today's video, we are going to be making a heart out of some 3/8 round stock. So I have some helpers in the shop. Are you guys excited? Yeah? Should we get to it? Who are we making it for?
Mommy.
Right here. There you go. Not so hot. Ready?
Oh.
Hit it. Hit it.
Hit it. My turn?
Hit it.
Dad, I want to do it again.
No, Roman, no. Don't hold the hammer back here. Keep that hand off of it. There you go. Now swing it.
Daddy left.
Yeah.
What? Ah!
We're here.
Oh.
Alright, so we're ready to say anything again, okay? Alright, watch out. Okay, ready? So we're gonna hit it.
Ow!
Hit it.
Oh,
Hit it, Roman.
that's so loud.
There you go.
It's not loud, Dad.
It is loud.
I need your to hear so it's not loud.
Okay, I'll continue.
Dad, what do you have to do? It's my turn.
Go ahead, hit it.
Oh, you're right.
Go ahead, hit it. There you go, good job. Mary, you want to hit it?
This one.
Bring it. There you go, good job.
My turn. I want to eat my.
Hit it. Alright, then we gotta cool it off. I gotta cut it quick. Yeah, I'm gonna hit it. No. No, it's not loud. Good. What? Oh, can you put this in the bucket? The blue one over there. Your hands are all dirty. What? Well, that's because you're wearing glasses, which is a good choice. Okay, so that is how we forge a heart out of some 3/8 round rock. You wanna hold it? It's not the prettiest thing in the world, honestly. It's my first time doing it, so I think it's pretty cool.
Dad,
What?
I kept that.
Your pliers?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't pinch yourself though.
Why?
All right, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. We hope you enjoyed the heart, and it's a fun little craft that you can make for your significant other, or if you want to make it for craft shows, feel free. So until next time, guys, have a great day. From us here at the Diddy family, be blessed. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you liked the video. And we'll see you next time.
Dad,
What?
can I finish the ABCs?
Well, I mean, you could say goodbye.
Bye, everyone. Bye, everybody. We made a good heart for Mom, so I gotta finish the ABC movie.
Okay. All right. All done?
Yeah.
Okay. Bye-bye.
Yeah, it's my turn.
Okay,
Bye, everybody, because I have a day because I pooped.
What do you mean you pooped?
He pooped his pants earlier.
You better not poop your pants.
Sorry, Dad.
That's okay. Goodbye, everybody.